Hi, M5668. Please introduce yourself.
I am Prisma Joy Barcoma. I'm married, 36 years old. I have two kids, 19 years old and 4 years old.
Your religion.
I'm a Christian.
Your highest educational attainment.
I am a vocational graduate, caregiver.
Caregiver. Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Malaysia, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I take care of the elder, 90 years old. She's diabetic.
Okay, and other household chores that you do.
I do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes. I'm also cooking.
Okay, and you have another experience also here in the Philippines. Tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
I take care of two kids, one newborn baby and 4 years old.
Okay. And other household chores that you do.
I do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, feeding the baby.
And you're also tutoring, right?
Yes.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
I wash my hands, I wash the bottles, I sanitize the bottles. I put the formula, I put the warm water, I shake, I check the temperature and feed the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, I will check the diaper, I will feed the baby.
Okay, if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper, the temperature, also you feed the baby, everything that you have done to make the baby to stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call the parents.
Okay, and what will you say to the parents of the baby?
I will tell them that the babies can stop crying.
Okay, you will say to your employers that the baby doesn't stop to cry. Maybe the employer know what to do to the baby to make it stop, right? Or the
Yes.
baby have a history that only the mother or the parents know what to do to the baby. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because they have a high salary in a safe country.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitors and your employer doesn't at home that day and they want to go inside? What will you do?
I will call my employer first.
And what
Then
will okay?
ask them if they have a visitors.
And if they don't have any visitors,
I will call the police.
you can call the police because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know and they want to go inside of the house, right? And also, do not open the door, right? Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food because you are ex-Malaysia, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I can cook stir-fried vegetables, stir-fried noodles, steamed fish, steamed chicken, porridge.
Okay, forage because you are taking care of an elderly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs or the helper?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday set up by your employer.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to not to use cell phone without the consent of your employer.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
It's okay, sir.
For sure, it's okay to take care of an elderly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
I am willing to learn, sir.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me because I am a trustworthy person. I am good at my job, hardworking.
Hardworking. Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Chris Majoy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.